Starbucks and I was editing the video and I was like, you don't even know what's going on. So, we went kayaking last weekend for Leah's birthday, and so I wanted to vlog it because it was so fun and it was just such a good day and it was just so cute. So yeah, happy birthday, Leah!